Well, ladies and gents, welcome guys to another live trading session. The markets are recovering, everything looking Gucci. Today, we're going to go ahead and scalp. Do not blink. What we do here is high frequency trading. So you want to keep your eyes peeled like this. Let's go ahead, guys. US Tech 100 is the NASDAQ. That's what we're going to trade. By the way, in every video I release, you learn something new. Everybody can make money scalping, just so you know. I could literally open up one contract here that cost me $100 and make some money. So look, just look at this. I mean, you can also be down $3, but this is how easy it is to see money fluctuate. That's what I'm trying to prove to you. There, $7. It's so easy. Anybody can make money, but can you keep it? Because this game of scalping, those who keep the money are those who have a plan. And you have to have a plan before you begin. My plan today is to make $200. And if I make anything more than that, so be it. But you need to have a specific time frame every day for when you're going to trade and when you're going to make your trades and moves. For me, I'm going to make my trades market open. And maybe you come back later on midday as well. You have an hour each. And you have a timer. If the hour passes, you do not trade anymore. Anyways, with that being said, let's go ahead. This is a clean buy position right here. So I'm going to go with 15 contracts and 15 points stop loss. Okay, so I've opened the contracts. The reason behind this is because previously I was watching this candle. And basically I looked at it and I said, it's breakout time. And this candle pushed up and rejected. So now this next candle, this breakout candle coming, well, that's the one that's going to take us higher. And all I needed is to go here, retest. These kind of resistance lines on 15 minutes are already tested because this candle already tested them. Resistance is like a glass. Once you break it once, then there's nothing in between or after it unless there's another glass or resistance. So these resistance lines have already been broken. So there's nothing here to stop us. This candle is going to sell. Okay, so that's actually a nice analogy that I use when I'm teaching about resistance. It's what resistance is. And it's just a glass that once you break, there's nothing there anymore. So I have my 15-point stop. A 15 point, maybe I'll take 15 points limit order. And this is the support level here. Okay. So we're going to bounce from that in a minute. Once we bounce, we'll take the profit. We're coming close to market open as well. 30 minutes before market open. So let's see. Let's see. Do we want to see this breakout to this level? Yes, for market open. That's the game plan, guys. But because you have a limit and you have your stop loss and you have your, look at this. Look at this setup. Now we're on 5 minutes. Let's go 5 minutes. Look at this 5 minute, guys. 5 minutes. This right candle, you expect it to go down further, but it's going to stop here, reject, and pull back. There, see this? This is what I mean, guys. You see this? Unbelievable candle. I was so slow, though. Nobody, unless you had a limit order, and this is why limit orders are good sometimes. But anyways, now that we established this candle, I guess we'll have to retry again, wait for another push to the upside. But that was in a blink of an eye. You go from minus to 200 plus. I had a chance to take like $70 there. I didn't take it. I'm being very brave lately. My scalping is changing a little bit. So yeah, there it is. And this candle should push and break out Probably market open. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm actually going to pause this because I don't want this to run far. And just have a look. Open price is 20156. So when I restart this, you know it's the same trade. Okay? So I'll pause this and I'll see you guys when it's time and when this candle has shifted to the upside. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a while. Here we go. Around 20 minutes, guys. And it's playing out. It's playing out accordingly. So you see, because of this resistance line, the next push should be here, 175. So I'm actually not going to take that risk, and I'm just going to secure on the next push up. So let me just put this right here. And this is 10 minutes. Let's see how 15 minutes look. Right, 160, guys. 160 secured. And that's one trade, you know. It's better to make the video 6 minutes than to make it hours just to try and take a trade. Now, we're going to switch it up a little bit. This is US Tech, right? Yeah, so let's go to the hourly. Hourly wants to push indefinitely. There's space all the way here to 198. So let's zoom it in. It will probably, so look, I'm going to just do some high frequency scalping here. I'm just going to do 10, and I'm just going to put stop 10, and now I'm going to put limit 10. All right, so now, so this here wants to push. So what can I do? All right, we'll make this quick. Next push. Exit. Why did you close it? Well, because this is, to me, it's a new trade. Even though every trade is a new trade, it's a new mindset, it's a new psychology behind the trade. Okay, here's $18. All right, I'm gonna leave this here, guys. It's a quick look. I was trading with a small account, so this was definitely not high frequency scalping. If we had opened this during market open, then things would be different. But I'll just drop this video for you. Maybe you learn something from this setup, because everything I show you, you'll see in your own trading. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time for another. Bye.